Talk to me.
Hey girl, hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is LACHELLETRENDS, and since in today's video I'm coming to you with another wig review slash install on this unit you see me wearing right here. As you guys can see, we got ourselves another fall unit. Like sis, I am not playing any games. I'm stacking up for the fall, getting ready and trying to choose more fall colored units. So yeah, this unit was sent to me from Samsbeauty. I will have them and this unit linked in the description box below. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. On my channel I do hair videos, fashion videos, as well as playing makeup, so go ahead and join the gang, sis, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified of each video I post. So yeah girl, let's jump into it. Okay y'all, so again I received this unit from Samsbeauty and they sent over this unit right here, and let's open her up. I'm kind of excited. Ooh sis, look at this color. Like, I've been trying to get fall colors here lately just because y'all know fall is around the corner. This one is kind of like, I don't know, it's kind of scaring me just a little bit because I don't know, I probably thought it was gonna be just a tad bit darker, but it's pretty though. I don't know. So let me tell you what it is. This is the Motown Tress Premium Collection. It says it's in the style item LS136 Echo. Girl, it's like, why not just call it Keisha, you know? Anyway, so that's the name. It says the color is red copper. It is a HD invisible lace 13x6 faux skin pre-made most natural bald cap. That was like a whole mouthful. It says wider and deeper bald cap, and the length is 24 inches, and it is curling iron safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And that's pretty much it. I don't know, yeah, because you don't open it up. So that's pretty much it, and it does say it has an adjustable elastic comfort band and just freestyle parting. So here is the stock card, and then here is the back. Let's get into this unit one more time for the color. Okay, and it's just, it kind of looks like it has some highlight pieces like of orange or whatever. You can't really tell, or you can, like it's maybe like an orange brown, but majority of it is like this red color, and of course it's called red copper. So yeah, and then this is the lace in the front. They're looking pretty nice. And then this is the inside of the cap. As you can see, it has that faux, girl, why am I calling it faux? It has that little stuff right there. You know, I can't even think of it, but like the little faux skin, like they said, that is it right there. And then of course it is a 13x4. You get 2-inch, or not even 2-inch, maybe 1-inch parting space on the side. It as well has the two combs and one comb at the bottom, if you could see it, and then adjustable straps. It as well has the elastic band. Girl, if I can get it, child, shoot. Okay, so it does have the elastic band, and yeah, it cannot come off, so you do have to either utilize it or just tuck it in. And elastic bands, y'all know, is not my thing, so I'm just gonna tuck mine in. But yeah girl, one more time for the unit, and let's put her on. So as you can see, it already has that skin liner, so no need to tint this lace. If you want to, go ahead, but it's really just defeating the purpose because you're not going to see it anyway. So I'm just going to put her on and adjust her to my liking, and then we'll go from there. y'all, and with that little skin faux liner or whatever you want to call it, I did have a little bit of difficulty seeing like where my real wig cap started and where theirs did, because you know it gives that line of demarcation. So yeah, that's what you see me just struggling right here. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. So per usual, to lay my wig, I'll be using my Got To Be Glue Free spray, and I'm going to spray along the hairline and then blow dry it in. So now I'll be using my Black Radiance contour palette, and this is to tint the lace, seeing as we didn't tint the lace in the beginning because it was just such a small line. I'm just going in with some powder just so we can blend it in better, and then after that I'm going to use some more Got To Be Glue Free spray just so we can melt the lace and get it looking bomb. So I'm kind of just playing around with it just to see how I want to style it. If I want to do a side part, a flip over method, a middle part. So yeah, that's what you see me doing. Then I'm going to go in and just pretty much start parting and letting you guys see the parting space. And then we'll go from there and I'll begin styling the unit. So I decided to go with a middle part, and after I get it to my liking, I'm then going in with my wax stick and putting that all along the parting space, and then I'm going to go in with my hot comb so we can get that hair sleek. So now that we got the front sleek as well, I'm now going to pull out some baby hairs. I'm not trying to do too much. I've been kind of on this little thing where I want to pull out as little baby hairs as possible, like not too much but not too little. Anyway, so that's what I'm doing, just getting my baby hairs to my liking. Then I'm going to cut them, curl them with my little flat iron, and then to lay them, I'll be using my Got To Be Glue Free spray. I did kind of go in a little bit with my wax stick just because the baby hairs wasn't laying down with only Got To Be Glue Free spray. So now I'm going in with some oil sheen. This is my holy grail for my synthetic units. You guys already know I love this product. It just brings a lot of moisture to the unit, especially for this one that's colored and just a little stiff or whatever. This is definitely going to bring some moisture back to this unit and allow me to rub my fingers through it seamlessly instead of catching a lot of snags. Y'all, so my baby hairs was not staying down, so I went in with some more Got to Be Glue free spray just to hold them better. Okay girl, this is what we turned out looking like. Since we cute, the color has grown on me just a tad bit now, just a tad. I was again like nervous or whatever, but looking at the color, it doesn't look bad. It's giving me like they said, red copper, but it's also giving me like a pink a little bit. Like it's looking a little pinkish depending on what type of light I'm in, because it has like these browns and reds throughout, and just like light reds, like just a whole bunch of colors. So yeah, it's giving me mixed vibes, but it's still cute overall. Again, like I said, it's growing on me. But yeah, let me turn around so you can see the back. And like I said, y'all, it's 24 inches like it said on the package. It's fairly long. I'm 5'7". So yeah, super cute. So let's get into these details. So I do believe it is big hair friendly. It's not tight on my head. It is snug, but it's not tight on my head, and it's probably a little bit snug just because I did have to come down further, so it's not on my hairline or whatever. But again, y'all, it's snug, but it's not like tight, like oh my goodness, I need to take it off or whatever. So I still do give it a big hair friendly pass. If your hair is bigger than mine, probably skip this one or whatever, but for the most part, it's big hair friendly. The texture of this hair, so y'all, the texture is real. Ooh, it's dry. Yeah, put it like that. It's just dry. It's still some pretty hair, but again, it's dry. You do receive a lot of snags. Like this, before I put the oil sheen on, it was just like snag here, snag there. You do receive some shedding. I think majority of my shedding is coming from me cutting the ear tabs, because it is, both sides are like over your ear, so you will have to cut into the wig a little bit, and I think that is where my hair is coming from. But overall, I mean, like I said, you do receive like little tangles, a little bit of shedding, and the hair is dry. So I do recommend wholeheartedly putting that oil sheen on to give this unit some moisture. Once you put the oil sheen on, it feels a lot better as far as like putting your hands through it and whatnot. So yeah, it just works a lot better putting some moisture into the unit. The lace now, the lace melted pretty good. Like, it could be better, but for the most part, it looks nice. I like that the lace was, it looks like a brown lace, like, you know, whatever, like a brown lace. It matches my skin. I don't know how it looks on camera, but in person, like, we're good. Like, I could see it. I'm not gonna lie, I can see it right here a little bit, but I do like that it is tinted a little dark and it's not light. I'd rather be dark than light, if you get what I'm saying. Like, I'd rather it to not be white, too white, to where you be like, girl. But if, as long as it's dark, I feel like it can blend in just a little bit better. So yeah, I think that's pretty straight. I did add some powder down the part. I didn't add any more powder right here, but because I can see it right here, I may go in and just cut some more of the lace off, because I do not like that mark right there, if you can see what I'm saying. But overall, it's a pretty nice unit. I like the little curl pattern or whatever. It looks cute overall. I will say that the this kind of goes into like the texture and quality of the hair. It is more on the synthetic side. I always can tell the difference between like a human hair blend and synthetic, a more synthetic blend, just by the way that my baby hairs lay. If you do you know, have like real hair units or whatever, Brazilian hair, you notice how it only takes just a little bit to lay down the baby hairs. So I kind of do that testing method on wigs, not intentionally, it just happens. So when I was laying these baby hairs down, I don't know if you guys noticed, like they keep sticking up. Normally I can lay baby hairs down with just got to be glue free spray and just with one swipe, and that's how I can tell if the quality of the hair is good. With this unit, it took me a lot to get these baby hairs down, more than what I normally do, and I did have to use the wax stick to put these down, like for them to stay down. And yeah, so that just tells you that the quality is just a little bit more on the synthetic side versus human hair side. But overall, sis, it's a pretty unit. I will have it linked in the description box below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.